Welcome to my channel. My name is Ria and today we are doing a 10-minute ab workout. So we have 10 different moves. We will do each move for 40 seconds followed by a rest for 20 seconds. When you rest for 20 seconds, I will demonstrate the next exercise for you. So this workout will take total of 10 minutes. Now for this one you will need a mat. If you don't have a mat at home, you can always use a carpet or a soft surface to do this workout. There is absolutely no jumping in this workout and you will not need any equipment apart from the mat. So now I'm going to put on the timer and then we'll get started together. But before that, I do request you to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I post a video. And another thing I'd like to mention before we get started is that if you're looking to burn fat, then a combination of diet, cardio, strengthening exercises works best. This workout will help tone and strengthen the abdominal muscles. So now let's get started. So let's come on down to the mat and we'll start with crunches. Up and down. Keep your elbows open and keep your chin tucked out of the chest. If you look up, that'll happen automatically. This is not the posture. Open. So we'll start with crunches. Let's begin. Rest. Next up, we are going to do one leg goes straight, the left leg, crunch, rest. Next up, same thing on the other leg. So right leg straight and in. Rest. Next up, knees at 90, bicycle crunches. Rest. Next, high plank position. In, back, in, back. Let's go. Twenty seconds. 10 seconds. 10. Rest. Back on the mat, facing up. You can put your hands under the lower back for support. Bicycles. Rest. Next up, diamond shape with the legs. Up, down, up, down. Rest. 7 minutes in, 3 minutes to go. Next up, you're going to straighten both the legs. Right leg 1 inch, 2 inches above the ground. The left leg goes up and down. If this is too much, you can drop your right leg. Left leg goes up and down. Let's go. Rest. Same thing on the other leg. So left leg 1 inch or 2 above the ground. Right leg up and down. If this is too much, drop the left leg. Right leg up and down. Rest. Last exercise. Low plank. Knee, 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 knee. Rest. So that was your 10-minute ab workout. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do subscribe to this channel, do like this video, and do share it with somebody you think might benefit from this. Now I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.